Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class, we will be continuing question number 3 of self-practice 11a. So the question is, name the rays and the line segment in the following figures. So you have the figures are given below here. Okay, so here what you have to do is, you have to name the line segment and you have to name the rays. I hope you have understood the term that is line segment and the term rays. So line segment was a line with certain end point, right? They have certain measurement, but a line doesn't have any line or length, isn't it? So this is a line here, this is a line segment here, and array is this. So if this is A here and the point B, this is your ray, which is marked as AB ray, isn't it? And the line segment is denoted by AB bar, and the AB line is denoted by both the side arrow mark will be there. So here what you need to do is, you have to identify the name. You have to name the rays and the line segment. So first of all, I have written the name line segment here. What is line segment? Line segment has certain endpoint, right? So EF here is one line segment. So EF is line segment here. Okay. Is there any other line segment you are finding? You can find AB is not a line segment. AB here is a ray. You can see both the side there are arrow. Yes, so AB will be line segment. And now what will be EA? EA will be ray here, which is proceeding from E to A, and EB will be your next ray. Yes, and the another ray is F. Sorry, I forgot to put the name here. It will be C. So FC is another ray, and another ray is FD. Just see, if I break this, it will be FD here, and if I break this, it will be FD and FC, isn't it? So FD and FC, two arrow are there in both the side direction. In both sides, the two directions can be seen, which is FC and which is FD. Okay, and CD cannot be written as line segment or ray, because in both the side ray cannot be of two direction. Ray will show one direction, and it is not line segment. CD is not line segment. Why? Because line segment has only bar sign, yes, without any arrow mark, but line has both the side arrow mark, so it will not be a line segment. So here we have only one line segment. So proceeding to the next figure, we have is figure B. Just see, the A shape is marked over here, and what is the line segment here? Line segment here is QR. The line segment here is QR. And what is the ray here? We don't have any other line segment. Can you see? No line segment is there. So we have to identify what is our ray. QS, or you may simply write the ray as PS. PS is one ray. So I forgot to mark here that EA is should mark like this, EB should be marked like this, FC should be marked, and EF should be marked like this. This symbol is very, very important. Okay, if you are giving only writing E, F and bar, then automatically many of you will understand what you are writing. That means it is line segment EF. It means this here, EA arrow here is showing the ray is moving from, the direction is from E to A, and EB is from E to B. If suppose the arrow was B to E, then you could have written BE like this. The direction would be from B to E, but here the arrow is from E to A, E to B, so it is EB. And from here F to C, FC, and then FD here, right? So there are 4 arrays and 1 line segment. Okay, similarly here we have 1 line segment. This and this cannot be considered as a line segment because here arrow mark is there. That's why no line segment is there. Only 1 line segment is there, which is QR and bar, and a line should be made above its head. Now the RPS is arrow here, and PT is another ray here. So there are 2 ray. Okay, the proceeding to the third one, we have part C. You will try it yourself. Alright children, I hope you have understood the concept of line segment. Just see the symbol here is W. Now you can clearly identify which one is line segment, which one is ray, right? I hope this is clear to you all. So let's proceed to question number 2. Sorry, it was not question number 2, it is question number 4. The question is, identify each pair of lines as parallel, intersecting and perpendicular lines. So here we have to identify which one is parallel line, which one is intersecting line, and which one is perpendicular line. So the first one here is number A is, what type of line do you fill? What each pair, that is one is there and another is two intersecting lines are there. So it is in a pair. So but is it intersecting line? Is it perpendicular line or a parallel line? Here it is forming 90 degrees. Just see, I have explained you what is 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degrees, isn't it? So it is forming right angle here, 90 degree. So it is perpendicular. Whenever you see this mark, this angle mark over here, basically we mark in angle this with this symbol. Okay, but whenever it is 90 degree, no, the symbol of the angle will be like this, which is representing 90 degree. So whenever you have a 90 degree or this symbol, then it will be perpendicular. Perpendicular. Alright children, so the first answer is perpendicular. So the next two slanting line here, you can see whenever two slanting line cross, then it will be considered as intersecting lines, or here you'll write perpendicular lines. Alright, the last one, number C, you can easily identify now, right? So this will be a home assignment. Alright children, so I want you all to solve it and submit to me personally. Alright, so I don't feel any problem is there. If you have any confusion, kindly share with me. Feel free to ask me, okay? So this much for today. In our next class, we will be proceeding with the next self-practice. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.